Hi guys, here we have a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Caratuk river ceiling fan. This fan came with the house when we moved in back in 2022. It's been pretty good. This is the only time it's off. I use it 24/7, and with that, the capacitor has definitely gone down in quality. But yeah, I wish the down rod was longer. Don't know how tall the ceiling is, but it's pretty tall. I'll be recording another video later, and the fan in the master bedroom has a way longer down rod, and it provides more air, so. It has two switches, or my room has two switches. This one does the light. And then I just have well, you can't see it, but a Hampton Bay pull chain, even though it's a Harbor Breeze. When I moved in, it just had two, like those cheap plastic Hampton Bay pull chains. So I took those off, and I put these on. But yeah. I used to have the light chain with that one, but it broke off, so I just replaced it. But here's the high speed. As you can see, it's in reverse. And I don't know if you can hear in the video, but it does put out a really loud humming sound, humming sound, and also, there's like a ringing sound. I don't know if you can hear it. It's not from the globe, so it's probably from the motor. I don't know if the camera is capturing this, but it has a bit of a wobble. Here's medium. Now the wobble's more defined on medium speed. Don't know if you can see that. And yes, the globe was pretty dirty. I cleaned it a couple weeks ago, but it just didn't get off, so I'll see what I can do to clean it. And then the blades, one of them's bent really bad. So when it's in reverse, when it's going counterclockwise, it wobbles pretty bad, but it's okay. And then here's low. I sleep with this fan all the time on high speed, so the quality of the capacitor has definitely gone bad. I'm gonna see if I'll replace it with something. And this is not as slow as it used to go. It's actually slower in person than it is on camera, but it's pretty slow.